Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm sharing two new releases from Jessica Lynn Original. And we've got this beautiful Pitbull stamp set, and then this really cute Brentwood stamp set. This one here is called Brentwood Camping, and then we've got the Pitbulls 2.0. So I'll have the link down below to Jessica Lynn Original section in the shop. And I just love her stamps. She draws all her images herself. She's right here in Wisconsin. And I love her stamps. She's got a lot of dog breed stamps and then these really cute Brentwood stamps. So today, I'm going to make a super cute card with this one. And as soon as I saw the stamp set, I knew I wanted to make a TeePee card for this. Look at that cute little owl in that teepee and then the little bear peeking out behind that. And then we've got the campfire, and then this one is roasting the marshmallow. There's the moon and some sentiments here, some stars. Really cute. And so the adventure begins. Gone camping, let's sleep under the stars. I love s'mores a chocolate. So I think I'm going to use this one. Let's sleep under the stars. And so the adventure begins. This one's got really cute sentiments as well. Who rescued whom? Good dog. Pets are not disposable. Happy B-Day. Some things just fill your heart without trying. I woof you. So really cute stamps. So we're going to make this card today. So this is a TeePee card or a tent card. And I thought it was just perfect. So I will show you how to put this together. We're going to decorate it. First I'm going to decorate the panels with some distress ink. So I was thinking, let's see, so the 4x4 panels, you're going to need 3 of them. That's to make the tent. We'll put that to the side. And then the panels to decorate the tent, we've got 2 panels. We've got this cut down to 3 3/4. And then I'm going to cut this in half diagonally. Right down the middle here. And then I've got some pattern paper, measures the same. We'll cut those down and decorate the bottom, the little legs. So these little legs. So first I want to get out my mat so I could do some ink blending here. So I've got my Wendy Betchy Make Art mat by Ranger here. I have this in my Amazon store if you are interested in this mat. I love it because it's magnetic. And it has these great magnets that can hold on your papers. I'll have that linked in the description box for you. So what I was thinking is to make some kind of the night sky with stars, even though it's on the tent. But I just think that would look really, really pretty with the blue at the top with stars, and then maybe do brown at the bottom and kind of fade it into the blue color. So these are going to be cut in half. So actually this part will be the brown and this part will be the blue. So we're going to turn that like a diamond. And then I will do the brown on the bottom first. I like this color. It kind of looks like hide, a leather hide. Okay, so now let's get, I got a blue and a purple. Thought we could do that for the sky. And now I'm going to darken it all up with some black soot I think that looks really cool. I'm gonna add some little stars to the top with my Jelly Roll pen. I'm gonna clean up my mat first. So I'm using this Jelly Roll pen here. I do have this available in the shop if you're interested. I will link it down below for you. So I want to make some stars. So I'm just making a little star and then some dots. Okay, I think that's going to be perfect there. Now we're going to cut this in half and put them on as panels on our little tent here. So let me get my trimmer and then I'll show you how to make the teepee. So this trimmer that I'm using is the Fiskars trimmer. I have this in my Amazon shop. You'll see it once you click on tools. I like this trimmer because it has that metal wire going across here so you know exactly where the line is. So what I'm going to do is let's measure this first. So this is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Now we're going to cut this in half. So what I like to do is line the tip up to the slot here and then the other tip to the slot over here so we know it's perfectly even. And we can put this down, lock it into place. First let's move our trimmer this way, lock it into place, and there's the wire so you can line it up perfectly on that wire. I'm going to reach in, lock that into place, and then cut that in half. Okay, I have it locked into place. So to make the teepee here, you're going to want 3 panels 4 by 4. If you have a scoring pail, that will be handy for you. A lot of them come with a corner piece that you can add on here to do diagonal scoring. If it doesn't come with one of these, you could just line up your corners. Okay, so now we have our 4 by 4 panel, and we're just going to line up, put the points inside the groove, and the other point, make sure that's in the groove, and then we're just going to score down the middle. So do that for all 3. Now we can fold on the score line, press it down with your bone folder, so now we're going to put these together. We can use adhesive, so we're going to put these 2 together like this. Okay, I can use my magnets to hold my paper down. So I'm just going to line it up in this grid. And then we're going to take the center one here and glue this one on top. So we can do one at a time here. And I'm just going to add this one. Make sure the point's at the top, lines up. Okay, so let's do the other side now. I'll just hold it down with my magnet and then line this side up. And this is going to go just like the other side. Now, if you are wanting to mail this out, you can add it to an envelope. You can fold this down like this and put it in an envelope. And then just put a little piece of double-sided adhesive here so that when they get the card, they can take that off and then adhere their card together. You could put Velcro or a magnet, however you want to make a closure for this. But I am going to seal mine up today for the video. Okay, so you don't want to do that until you add all your decorative panels. So my little stars, we're gonna add that there. And I cut it down to leave a border. Now you can cut this panel down to 4 by 4 so there won't be any border. So these panels here were just cut down 1/4 inch smaller. Now to add some decorative panels to the little feet here, I chose these two pattern papers. They're cut down the same size as these. And so what I did is I'm just going to cut this down to 1.5, this corner here. So I'm going to let that dry. We'll add some glue here. Okay, so I will let that dry and then we'll work on our images. So I think this card's going to turn out really, really cute. Okay, we are back. So let's decorate the front. So what I did was I just added some distress ink around my sentiment here. And then I chose Let's Sleep Under the Stars for the front. I'm just going to add some liquid glue. Okay, so it's going to look like that. And I'm going to have my little Brentwood owl down here. So we'll just add some glue to the back of him. Isn't that cute? It looks like the teepee is opening up and he's inside of it. I just thought the stamp set was perfect for this card. These TeePee cards have been around for a while. It's not my design, but ever since it was in the back of my head and I saw this stamp set, I knew I wanted to create this card. So on one side, I'm going to have the fire. We'll have the fire, and then the other side will have the little owl with the marshmallow. So we'll put that down towards the bottom. Okay, and then we will have, I think, the sentiment on by the fire. Let's see. Oh, maybe down here would be cute. I should have thought of that a little bit better. I would have put the fire over here and the sentiment over here. And I don't think I can move it now. But yeah, I think I would have put the sentiment down here, maybe the fire over here. Maybe I won't have another sentiment. Let's see. We'll put him on first. Yeah, I wish I would have put the fire a little bit over. I wonder if I can peel it off. No, that's going to take off my background. Add some glue back to that before I ruin it. Okay, I think I'm going to just add that down here. I love s'mores et chocolat. Okay, that is cute. So we've got our cute little guy over here getting ready to roast a marshmallow. And then this one is so cute. And then I have the stars and the moon. So I'm going to put that over here because this side needs some more little something something. So I think I'm going to pop these up. Okay, that is so cute. I might even put some more on this side, maybe some more stars. Yeah, I think this is so adorable. So I hope you guys like this card and give it a try. It's really, really cute, especially with the stamp set. And thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.